Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a zoom and rotate effects for your CapCut edits. So first, just add the clips that you want and then add keyframes at the beginning, near the end, and also at the end of the clip. So add 3 keyframes on each clip like this. And now zoom the clip in on the first keyframe and then rotate the clip on the second keyframe. So rotate it like this, rotate it a bit. Okay, after you rotate, zoom in again like this. So the video will look like this. Then on the last keyframe, zoom in the clip more. Okay, so it will become like this, and do the same with the second clip, but rotate it in a different direction. So zoom in on the first keyframe, rotate it on the second one, and zoom it in like this, then zoom in again on the last one. Okay, and then go in between the first and second keyframes, go to grabs and select the ease out one, and for this the last 2 keyframes is in 1. Do the same with the second clip. Okay, so now you are done, and here is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.